Ethan, wake up! I feel terrible. My stomach hurts a lot.
Huh? What is wrong, Grace? Are you okay? Oh my gosh, you are very hot. You have a fever.
Yes, and I want to vomit.
We must go to the hospital right now. Can you stand up? Leo. Maya. Mommy is sick. Get in the car quickly, kids. Nurse, please help my wife. She is in terrible pain.
We will help her, sir. Please wait outside and fill out this paper.
I am very worried about Mommy. Will she be okay? Mommy to get well soon.
Hello, sir. Please write her name and age here.
Yes, I will do it right now.
Hello, Grace. Where does it hurt?
Right here, doctor. My stomach hurts so much.
Do you feel hot or cold? Do you want to vomit?
Yes, I feel cold. And I vomited 3 times this morning.
You have a high fever. What did you eat yesterday, Grace?
Let me think. Eggs for breakfast and a salad for lunch.
What did you eat for dinner?
Dinner? Oh no. Wait, I remember now. I cleaned my fridge last night. I found an old box of seafood. This seafood is very expensive. It still smells okay to me. I will eat it to save money.
Please do not eat bad food to save money. Your health is very important.
You are right, doctor. I made a very big mistake.
I suspect food poisoning. We need a blood test to be sure. Hello, everyone. I have the test results now.
Is she okay, doctor? What is the problem?
It is confirmed. She has food poisoning.
Oh no. What should we do to help her, doctor?
Give her plenty of water, soft soup, and this medicine.
Thank you very much, doctor. We will take care of her. Please sit up, honey. You need to drink this water.
I feel very tired, Ethan.
Drink it slowly, Grace. Is it okay for you?
It is a little salty, but it is okay.
Sleep tight, Mommy. I will take care of you.
Maya? Is that you?
Mommy, you are awake. Does your tummy still hurt?
A little bit, sweetie.
Mommy, look. I have some hot soup for you. It is very soft and not spicy. Mommy, please open your mouth and say ah.
Ah. Thank you, Leo. It is delicious.
37.5 degrees. The fever is gone. Sleep tight, honey. Huh? What? Oh, hello, doctor.
Good morning, family. Time for a checkup. Mrs. Grace, you are fully recovered.
Yay! Mommy is well again.
Thank you so much, doctor. I feel great.
You are healthy, but you still need to rest at home for 2 days.
Okay, Ethan. Focus. You can do this. Step 1. Put flour in the bowl. Easy peasy. Come on. Why is it stuck? Oh no. I cannot see anything.
Dad? What is that noise? Is there an earthquake? Whoa! Look at the kitchen! It is a giant mess! Dad, look at the floor. What happened?
Good morning, kids. Just a little accident.
Dad, what about these eggs? Are you cooking breakfast?
No, Leo. I am trying to bake a cake, but the flour attacked me.
A cake? Why are you baking a cake at 7 a.m.?
Do you know what day it is, kids?
Oh, it is February 14th.
Yes, it is Valentine's Day. And Mom is coming home today.
Valentine's Day? Is that a holiday for cake?
It is a day to show love to special people. Mom has been on a business trip for a week. I miss her. I want to make her happy with a surprise.
Aw, that is sweet, Dad. So you want to bake a Valentine cake?
Yes. But look. I failed. I am not a good baker.
Don't be sad, Dad. We can help you. Yes, we are a team. Let's make the best cake for Mom. Operation Surprise Mom starts now. Okay, team. We cannot bake in a dirty kitchen. First, we must clean up this mess.
Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor. Goodbye, snow.
Pick up the eggs. Easy. Don't break them. Oh, that is the delivery. I ordered new ingredients for the cake, but my hands are full of bubbles. Can someone get it? Me! Let me do it! Let's see what it is.
Delivery for Grace's family.
Thank you! Oof! It is so heavy. It feels like rocks. Help! Help! The bag is winning!
I got you, son. Wow, lots of ingredients inside. Let's check. Sugar? Check. Strawberries? Check. Whipping cream? Check. Perfect. Now we have everything. Let's bake.
Step 1. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Leo, your turn. Oops! The shell fell in. But it's okay. Fish them out.
Washing is done. Now I shake them dry. Shake, shake, shake.
Dad, please be gentle. Strawberries are very soft. They are easy to break. Now mix the flour and eggs. It looks too thin. Not sweet enough. We need more sugar. Sugar power! Make it sweet! Mix, mix, mix. Round and round.
I will knead the dough. I have strong muscles.
Winter is coming. Whoosh!
Leo, I am a snowman again. Into the oven. Now we wait. Ta-da! The masterpiece.
Dad, it looks like soup. It didn't rise. It is squishy. Why?
Oh no. I forgot to turn on the heat.
If we don't turn on the oven, the cake won't bake, Dad.
Maximum power. Let's cook it fast.
Do you smell that? It smells like burning. The cake!
Oh no. It is burnt. It is a black rock now.
We can play soccer with this rock. One more time. Third time is the charm.
Watch the timer. 170 degrees. 20 minutes. It is done.
Yay!
We did it!
It smells delicious.
Okay, now it is time to decorate the cake. The cake is leaning, Dad. It looks tired.
It is artistic. Leo, let's cover it with white cream.
Put the strawberry in the center. Red for love. Sprinkles everywhere. Make it colorful.
It is beautiful. But messy.
Balloons here. Flowers there. It looks romantic. Mom is home.
Quick, turn off the lights. Hide behind the sofa.
Hello? Why is it so dark? Ethan? Kids? Where is everyone?
Surprise!
Oh my goodness! What is this?
Happy Valentine's Day, my love. Welcome home.
Did you make this cake?
Yes, we made it. We failed 2 times, Mom. It looks a bit messy, Mom, but we tried our best.
Let me taste. Mmm. It is delicious. It is sweet and soft. This is the best Valentine's gift. I love it. Oh! What was that noise? Is the cat in the kitchen?
No cat, honey.
We forgot one thing, cleaning up.
I knew it. You made a cake, so the kitchen is messy. It is okay. No problem. Let's clean up. And then we will have a big dinner to celebrate.
Yay! Let's do it!
Thank you, honey. This gift is very wonderful.
You deserve the best, my love, right, team?
Yes, you are the best mom in the whole world. And we love you more than all the stars in the sky.
Aw, I love you too, my little angels. You see, Valentine's Day is a great time to show love, not just for couples. It is a special time for family love too.
How was your Valentine's Day? Please share your sweet stories below. Let's make it warm and special. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Goodbye. See you next time. Happy Valentine's Day.